ICSE Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter 19, Exercise 19D. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Find out the median by plotting the following in the form of an ogive, where M denotes the mid marks of a class. यहाँ पर देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में मिड मार्क्स दिया हुआ. मिड मार्क मीन्स क्लास मार्क. मिड पॉइंट दिया हुआ है हर एक क्लास का. वी हैव टू फाइंड द क्लास साइज. तो देखिए यहाँ पर 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5. सो कॉन्सिक्यूटिव क्लास मार्क में डिफरेंस देखिए कितना है, 5 का. तो पहले क्या कीजिए, 5 का हाफ कीजिए. 5 का हाफ कीजिए मीन्स जो क्लास इंटरवल आ रहा है या मार्क्स का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, क्लास मार्क का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, उसको हाफ कीजिए. हाफ करके दैट विल बी 2.5. 2.5 इसमें से माइनस कीजिए तो 10 आ जाएगा आपका, मीन्स लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द योर क्लास. और 2.5 पर इसमें प्लस करेंगे तो आपका अपर क्लास मिलेगा, अपर लिमिट. 17.5 में देखिए 2.5 माइनस कीजिए 15 आएगा, दैट विल बी द लोअर क्लास. और 2.5 प्लस करेंगे तो 20 आएगा, दैट विल बी द अपर लिमिट. सो लोअर लिमिट अपर लिमिट आप इस तरह से फाइंड आउट करके क्लास साइज तैयार कर लेंगे. फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया हुआ है 2, 22, 19, 14, 3, 4, 6, 1, 1. क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रिपेयर कीजिए. 2 एज इट इज, 2 प्लस 22 24, 24 प्लस 19 43, 43 प्लस 14 57, and so on. You can complete this cumulative frequency. Now we have to represent these cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency जब हमने तैयार कर लिया उसके बाद हम y एक्सेस पर cumulative frequency को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. और अपर लिमिट जब होगा, अपर लिमिट को हम x एक्सेस पर रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सेस जो है. अब यहाँ पर देखिए किंक मैंने तैयार किया है. इस यहाँ पर 0 से लेकर के 10 तक की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. 10 है द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्लास. नाउ अपर लिमिट 15. सो हम पॉइंट को प्लॉट करेंगे. देखिए 15 और 2 से इसको हमने ग्राफ पर प्लॉट किया हुआ है. फिर उसके बाद है 20 to 24. So 20 and 24. 20 will be the abscissa and 24 will be the ordinate. In this way you can find out the coordinate and plot the point accordingly. After plotting the points, what you do that you just join these points by your freehand curve, and this freehand curve will give you the ogive. Now we have to find the median. What you do that 72, that is the total number of frequency is 72. So find out the n by 2, that is 72 divided by 2, that is 36. Find out the point of that 36, that will be in between the 35 and 40. So that point I have indicated here, that is A. From A you draw a parallel line to x-axis, that is AB is parallel to x-axis. From B point you drop a perpendicular, means BC is perpendicular to x-axis, and A represents n by 2, that is 72 by 2, that is 36. OC is the median, that is 23. 23 is the median as per your graph ogive. Now, as per the calculation, we can also find out the median, means this is the median class. First of all we find out the median class. median class कहाँ पर आएगा आपका, देखिए 36 है तो ये होगा आपका 43. और प्रीसीडिंग क्लास क्या होगा इसका, 24. कंसर्न फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास विल बी 19 and lower limit will be the 20. So you just substitute these values, 20 plus 36 minus 24 whole divided by 19 into 5. Find out it, you will get 23.15. That will be the mathematically, or as per the calculation, the median will be 23.15. But by means of graph, we have find out 23 as a median. So in book only, we have to find, the question is asked to find out the median with the help of the algebra. So now this question is over. Now come to the question number 2. From the data given below, draw an algebra and find the values of the median and quartiles from the graph. अब देखिए यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, the years. 10 years under 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are the upper limit. I have written here upper limit. Now the cumulative frequency is given, that is the number of the persons, that is cumulative frequency here 12, 31, 44, 55, 65, 70. This is cumulative frequency. Now we have to prepare the class. You see the difference between this first 10 and 20, that is 10 difference, 20 to 30, 10 difference means class size is 10. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. This will be your class. Now frequency find out. First frequency will be the 12. Now 31 minus 12, that is 19, will be the concerned frequency of this class. 44 minus 31, that is 13. 55 minus 44, that is 11. 65 minus 55, that is 10. 70 minus 65, that is 5. In this way we can prepare the frequency row. Here the class is already we have prepared. Now come to the graph. Scale 3 centimeter is equal to 10 unit on the x-axis and 1.5 centimeter is equal to 10 unit on y-axis. So after plotting this point, you see 10, 12. You see 10, 12, 20, 19, 30, 13, 40, 11, 50, 10, 12, 20, 31, 30, 44, 40, 55, 50, 65, 60, 70. Means we have to prepare the graph, we have to plot the point with the help of the upper limit and the concerned cumulative frequency. So here it will be 10, 12, 20, 31, 30, 44, 40, 55, 50, 65, 60, 70. This will be your required algebra. Means after joining these points with freehand curve, you will get the required algebra. So let us find out the median. So n by 2. You see here the cumulative frequency, that is 70 total. So 70 divided by 2, that is 35. Now plot this point. Find out this point, that is n by 2. Here it will be in between 30 and 40. So n by 2, that is 35. Draw a parallel line to the x-axis which intersect the algebra at this point. From the point of intersection, you draw perpendicular in order to find out the median, that is 23. 23 will be the median. Now we have to find out first quartile, that is n by 4, that is 70 divided by 4, it will be 17.5. Find out the point 17.5 on y-axis and draw the parallel line to the x-axis that will intersect the ogive. From there we just drop a perpendicular to the x-axis, and so we can get the 13 years will be your first quartile. Now the second quartile or third quartile, I see. Third quartile, in order to find out the third quartile, 3n by 4. 3n by 4 means 70 into 3 divided by 4, it will be 52.5. So 52.5, we plot the point, find out the point on the y-axis, you see 52.5, and draw a line parallel to the x-axis that will intersect the ogive, and from there, from the point of intersection, we drop a perpendicular to the x-axis in order to find the third quartile, that is 37 years. And these are the answer of the question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. From the following, find out the median with the help of ogive curve. You see, from the following, find out the median with the help of ogive curve. The profit per shop less than, once it is mentioned that less than, it means these are the upper limit. Number of shops 12, 30, 57, 77, 64, 94 and 100. So these are the cumulative frequency. In order to find, first of all, we will find the class. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. This will be your concerned class. Now concerned frequency, in order to find out 12, write down 12 here. 30 minus 12, that is 18. 57 minus 30, that is 27. 77 minus 57, it will be 20 here. So 94 minus 77, 17. 100 minus 94, that will be 6. So n by 2 here, it will be 50. First of all, let us do it by calculation. Find out the median. So 20 plus 50 minus 30 divided by 27. You see, 50, that is n by 2. So n by 2 minus frequency, n by 2, that will come here. That point lies here at 57. Now the preceding class is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 30. So 50 minus 30, and concerned frequency of the class is 27. So 50 minus 30 whole divided by 27 and multiplied by the class size. Class size means 20 to 30, that is 10. So we get here 27.407. This will be the median as per the calculation. Let us do it with the help of the graph. You see, first scale is 3 centimeter is equal to 10 unit along the x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit along y-axis. So we get, just to plot the point first of all, 10, 12, 20, 30, 30, 57, 40, 77, 50, 94, 60, 100. In this way, we will find out the points first. After plotting the point, we join these points with the freehand curve and taking the last means in the initial, or you consider in the left hand side, you take the lower limit and 0 cumulative frequency. From there you just start the graph. It will be the ogive concerned graph. Now in order to find out the median, what you do, that you take the n by 2 first plot, find out the point n by 2, that is 50. From there you draw a line parallel to the x-axis, the point where it intersects the ogive, you drop a perpendicular, and so we find out the point on x-axis, that will be the 27.8, that is the median of this class. Now come to the question number 4. The following are the marks obtained by 50 students in statistics. Marks less than 10, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are the upper limit. Number of students 4, 10, 30, 40, 47, 50. This information means number of student, that is cumulative frequency. Now first of all we have to prepare the what is called class size. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now in order to find out the frequency, what you do, just first you write down the 4 as it is. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 30 minus 10, that is 20. 40 minus 30, that is 10. 47 minus 40, that is 7. 50 minus 47, that is 3. So we can get the frequency n by 2, that is 50 divided by 2, that is 25. Median, you see the median will be, it is 27, that will come here. I have just put the arrow mark because it is the median class. So 20 plus 25 minus 10 whole divided by 20 into 10. So just calculate it, solve it. 20 plus 15 by 2, that is 20 plus 7.5, that is 27.5. This will be the median. But let us find out with the help of graph, ogive graph. You see, first we make the scale according to the convenient. So scale is 3 centimeter, which I have taken the scale. 10 unit is equal to along the x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units along y-axis. So just you plot it. So 10, 4, 20, 10, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 47, 60, 50. In this way you can just plot the point first. Now we join this point with freehand curve, and that will give you the ogive, concerned ogive. Now we find out n by 2. Here the n by 2 will be the 25, and that will lie in between the 20 and 30 on y-axis. From there we draw a parallel line, that is AB is parallel to x-axis. From that B is the point of intersection. From there you just drop a perpendicular to the x-axis which intersect the x-axis at M, and M is the median, and it will be 27.8 marks. Now let us proceed to the question number 5. Question number 5. 100 people in the school have the height as tabulated below. The height in centimeter is, you see here it is, height is given, that is 121 to 130, 131 to 140, 141 to 150, 151 to 160, 161 to 170, 171 to 180. But this class is inclusive class. We have to change it or convert it into exclusive class. So in order to find out the upper limit, is just to add it. 130 plus 131, that will be 130.5. So in this way we will get the 120.5 to 130.5, 130.5 to 140.5, 140.5 to 150.5, 150.5 to 160.5, 160.5 to 170.5, 170.5 to 180.5. In this way we can get the exclusive class. Now come to the frequency, that is 12, 16, 30, 20, 14 and 8. Cumulative frequency you can prepare 12, 12 plus 16, that is 28. 28 plus 30, that is 58. 58 plus 20, that is 78. 78 plus 14, that is 92. 92 plus 8, that is 100. Now, in order to prepare the ogive, first of all, we just choose the scale as per the space or the length of the x and y axis. You see, the 3 centimeter, I have taken 3 centimeter is equal to 10 unit along the x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit along y-axis. So first of all, you find out, plot the point first. Now, here it is 130.5 and 12, 140.5 and 28, 150.5, 68, 160.5, 78, 170.5 and 92, 180.5, 100. So, after plotting the point, now we join these points with the freehand curve, and that point, that this curve will be the required ogive. First, now in order to find the median, what you do, that you just find out the point, that is n by 2, that is 50. So here it is 50. From there, this is A point. From A, draw a line parallel to the x-axis which intersect the concerned ogive at the point B. From the B point, you drop a perpendicular, and that will be your median, means M is the median on the x-axis. You find out, we can, you see, I have taken the C and M, that is 2.2. We can convert this distance with the help of the scale. You see, M is the median, that is 147.5. Here's the CM, that is 2.2. That will be equal to 10 by 3. From where I have taken the 10 by 3, you see, the 3 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So 10 by 3 into 2.2, that is 7.3. So median will be equal to 140.5 plus 7.3, means 140.5 here, C, and 7.3. We have to add it. We will get the median, that is 147.8. So as per the calculation, you can find out also 140.5 means median class का लोअर लिमिट लिया हमने, लोअर लिमिट प्लस n by 2, that is 50, cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 28. So 50 minus 28 divided by 30 into 10. So 140.5 plus 220 divided by 30, that will give you the 140.5 plus 7.3, it is 147.8. So in this way we can find out the median.